Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm fixing a wobbly sliding door. So if you guys have a shaking or an unstable sliding door like this one at your home, stick around. I'll be showing you guys how to fix this one. So to fix this kind of unstable sliding door, all you need is a product which called roller guide, which you can get from your local hardware store. That will be looking something similar to this. It could be different shape, but they're all basically same. They basically act as a stabilizer. So once you install this on the underneath of the sliding door, this is basically act as a stabilizer, and when you move the door forward and backward, this will hold the door in position, so it won't move like this. So I'll show you that how to install this one now. Okay, to install one of these plastic guides onto your sliding door, all you need to do is you need to get the measurement of your groove on the sliding door and get that measurement, and take your guide, and then there is a spiky thing on the guide like this, and then cut this spiky thing on your guide according to the measurement that you got from your groove on the sliding door. Once you've done that, you simply need to push this guide through the groove, push that into place like this, and then align this guide to your screw holes that you previously have. If not, that's okay, you can simply align it with your door and the frame. Once you've done that, you screw that into place. So you can simply use your drill, or you can use a screwdriver, whichever suits you best. So I'm going to attach it with the screws now. Perfect. Now you have successfully attached the guide, and now we can see how this works now. Okay, now that I have installed the guide, now we can check how the door is running. It's not shaking anymore like before. It's stable. Now it's running so smooth. So it's running on the guide now, and it is steady and stable. So that's how you guys install the sliding door guide. Hope you guys like the video. I'll see you on the next time. Thanks for watching.